Welcome to another episode of Terry's Notes, and today I'm going to be focusing on how we construct angles using a compass. Alright, so the first angle that we are going to construct is a 60-degree angle. Sorry about this. All right, so we're going to construct a 60-degree angle, right? So the first thing we need to do is to draw a horizontal line. So I'm going to draw a line here. The next thing we're going to do is to take our compass and we're going to put the pointy part at this point here, right? And first thing we're going to do, we're going to make an arc, right? So I'm going to start at this point here and I'm simply going to make an arc, right? And then using the same, without adjusting the compass whatsoever, we're going to put the pointy part at this point here and we're going to draw a second arc. So we're going to draw this arc here, right? Then we're going to have to draw a straight line from this point here through the intersection of the two arcs, right? And this here will represent 60 degrees. All right. We can easily check this using a protractor. So if I have a protractor here and I measure this angle, right, I'm going to get 60 degrees, right? So it's 60 degrees. Okay, so this is how we construct a 60-degree angle. Now let's construct a 120-degree angle. Alright, so we're going to construct a 120-degree angle. How do we do that? So first thing we need to draw a horizontal line like before. So we draw a horizontal line. Then we're going to take our compass Alright, we're going to take the pointy part again and place it at this point here. Then we're going to draw an arc. So we're going to draw this arc. We're going to draw it maybe about here. Alright, and then using the compass, we're not going to adjust the arc again. Right, so we put the pointy part at this point here. Right, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna make an arc at this point here. Next step is to take the compass, place it. Let's rotate it a little bit here. Now I haven't adjusted the width of the arms of the compass. What I'm going to do now is draw another arc here. Okay. So now if I draw a line from this point here to this second intersection, this angle here will be 100 and sorry, give me a sec. Right, so this angle here is 120 degrees. Alright, and let me show you that it is 120 degrees. If we put our protractor here and we measure our angle, we can see that it's 120 degrees. Right? So that is how we construct a 120 degree angle. The next one we need to know how to construct is a 90 degree angle. So let's do that. So we're going to construct a 90 degree angle. How do we do that? Again, what we do, we draw a line. Oh, sorry. So we draw a line, then we get our compass. Alright, let me extend them a little bit. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, put our pointy part at this point here. Alright, we're going to make a pretty large arc. Alright, so I'm going to do this. The next step is to come at this point here. And I'm going to draw an arc at this point here. And then we're going to draw a second arc. Just like if we were constructing a 120 degree angle, right? So okay. Now, this is what we have to do in the next step now. Using the same arc again, we're not adjusting our compass at all. Let me just erase this here. Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make an arc here, and we're gonna come on this side, and we're gonna make an arc here as well. Alright, now when we draw a line from this point here through this point, well, it's a little off, but what happens is that this angle here is 90 degrees. Alright, now you notice my line is not passing through the point of intersection. That is just the software that I'm using. But if you use an actual compass, you are going to get the correct angle of 90 degrees. Okay.